If you skip Wyoming's final tax clearance, you're still liable for fees in 2026, and here's how to close it right. Here's the problem. Wyoming keeps charging you even after you think you closed. File Articles of Dissolution with Wyoming Secretary of State within 60 days to stop annual report fees. Request IRS final tax clearance within 30 days or penalties stack at $195 per month missed. Wyoming doesn't auto-close your LLC when you stop operating. You're on the hook for $60 annual reports, $50 registered agent fees, and potential tax penalties until you file proper dissolution paperwork. A Wyoming founder stopped using their LLC in January 2026, never filed dissolution, and owed $375 in stacked fees by tax season 2026. Here's exactly what to do next so you don't lose money to a company you're not even using. Most people fail here. They assume closing their business bank account means the LLC is dissolved. Wyoming law says the entity stays active until you file Articles of Dissolution with the Secretary of State. Your registered agent keeps billing. The state keeps expecting annual reports. The IRS still sees an open EIN. You're personally liable for every missed filing, even if revenue is zero. Do not skip the formal dissolution process or you'll pay for years. Step 1. Vote to dissolve. If you're a single-member LLC, you write a dissolution resolution and sign it. If you have multiple members, hold a vote and document it in writing. Wyoming requires this consent in your records. Bastion Formations handles the paperwork for Wyoming LLCs at $249, including the vote documentation, filing, and registered agent closeout. This takes 1 business day to prepare and 3 to 5 days for Wyoming to process. Step 2. File Articles of Dissolution with Wyoming. You submit Form LLC 8 to the Secretary of State either online for $60 or by mail. This is important because the state won't stop billing you until this form is stamped. Include your LLC name, file number, dissolution date, and a statement that all debts are paid or provided for. Bastion Formations files this for you and tracks the approval so you get confirmation the day Wyoming processes it. Here's the problem with stopping at the state filing. Your LLC is dissolved in Wyoming, but the IRS still sees an active EIN. If you had employees or filed excise tax, the IRS expects final returns. Most people think state dissolution is enough and then get IRS notices 8 months later asking why payroll taxes weren't closed. You need federal tax clearance to finish the job completely. Step 3. Close your EIN with the IRS. Send a letter to the IRS address on your last filing with this exact wording: I am writing to request closure of EIN, your 9-digit number, 4, LLC legal name. The business ceased operations on date and filed dissolution with the state of Wyoming on date. All final tax returns have been filed. Please close this EIN and send written confirmation. Mail it certified. The IRS responds in 15 to 45 days. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations do it. We close your Wyoming LLC end-to-end, including state filing, registered agent termination, and IRS EIN closure, for 1 flat fee. I am writing to request closure of EIN, your 9-digit number, 4, LLC legal name. The business ceased operations on date and filed dissolution with the state of Wyoming on date. All final tax returns have been filed. Please close this EIN and send written confirmation. Vote to dissolve and document it in writing. File Wyoming Articles of Dissolution Form LLC 8. Close your EIN with IRS certified letter or let Bastion Formations handle it. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for done-for-you Wyoming LLC dissolution service. Visit https://bastionformations.com.